Hi, TJ Morris, Morris Insurance Services. We are located directly across the street from Hurricane High School. Today we are going to be talking about a question we get all the time during the summer, especially in the heat of the vacation time like we are right now. And the question would be, if I go to rent a car, should I take the rental car coverage from the rental company? The answer to that question is yes, and here's some reasons why. One, you're going to be driving in an area that you are not familiar with, and you're not familiar with all the laws. So are you able to make a legal U-turn? Can you make a right-hand turn on red? Those types of things. Two, you're going to be in a vehicle that you've never driven before. You aren't sure how it handles in the rain. You're not sure where all the buttons and handles and all the technology is in the car. Three, you're going to be hauling around your most precious cargo, which is probably your family, when you're on your vacation. So they're in the back seat. If they're like my kids, they're in the back seat doing their own thing. And sometimes it can be a little distracting when you're trying to drive. Well, guess what? Everybody else that goes to rent a car is in the exact same boat you are. So with that, it's kind of like a perfect storm for an accident to possibly happen, okay? So the other couple things that would come into play would be, one, if you do take out the rental car insurance, you won't have a deductible, and two, if that company takes care of the damages if you are in an accident, then your auto insurance policy back home won't be surchargeable, and therefore your premium won't go up because you did have an accident. So if you have any more questions or ever need anything, feel free to reach out to us, whether you're one of our insureds or not. We just like to help, and thanks for watching. Make it a great day.